Hey, what's going on, everybody? This video I'm going to be going over, is a Mark 6 GTI reliable, or is there any way to make it reliable? So today I'm going to be going over what I've done, like preventative maintenance wise, and what I plan to do in the near future, and just kind of go over some things that I've read on forums and watched on videos about these cars and issues they may have. And I'll kind of go over that with you guys, so you guys know, and I'll tell you guys, kind of show you guys, you know, the problems and where they lie. Okay, to start out, I'll go over what I've done to the car so far, which isn't much, but so I did put the red top coil packs in, and I replaced the spark plugs with brand new MK6 Iridium spark plugs. And yes, I know the engine bay is a little dirty. I did clean it up just a little bit, but anyways, back into it. I replaced the PCV, which is this right here, and this hose, and then this hose back here that connects to the intake, connects down over here. But these tend to clog up and go bad, and then that's what helps cause another issue, which I'm going to get into, and that is the carbon buildup on the valves. So these are direct injection engines, so the fuel gets sprayed directly under the valve. It doesn't go on top of it to help clean it off like most vehicles, which is good because that's really good for fuel mileage and stuff like that. But it's bad because the carbon can build up on the valves, and that can cause like rough idle, misfires if it's bad enough. And I did order a walnut blasting kit from ECS Tuning, so I will be making a video on whenever I go in and blast the valves. It's kind of a pain from what I've read. You know, you got to take the intake manifold off, obviously, and there's just kind of a lot of stuff to undo, but I feel like I'm fairly mechanically inclined, so it shouldn't be too bad. But other than that, that's kind of like, that's like the main thing. A few other little things. The timing tensioner on these 2.0, this is the TSI engine. The timing tensioner, they like to fail, which, as you can see, it has a brand new seal. This timing has been done right before I bought it. I popped this cover and looked at it, so that's fine. The water pump on these, they're plastic. It's under the manifold, actually. They tend to crack, but again, I don't think that's something I don't think I'm gonna replace that just yet. I'm gonna wait on that. And these vacuum pumps, which is this right here, they tend the seal tends to leak, which mine is leaking. It's leaking a little bit of oil, so I ordered a new one of those. Trying to think of anything else that I've done so far to, well, obviously change the oil. I put an OEM filter on it, and I'm running the Liqui Moly 5W40. It's in the blue jug. I'll put up a picture of the stuff I'm gonna get. It's 540 Liqui Moly also, but it has something in it that helps stick and lubricate everything. And also it's fluorescent. If you like shine a light on it, like a UV light, it'll glow, so you'll be able to find your oil leaks a lot easier, which I don't know if I'll actually utilize that feature or not, but it's kind of nice to have and nice to know that. So that's the oil I'm going to be ordering from now on. But that's kind of, I guess I kind of went over both things, what I've done and what I'm going to do for these engines to help it keep it reliable, because like I said, this is my daily driver. I don't know if I'm going to be doing anything cosmetically to it. I say that, but I don't know, I've been wanting to buy a little catback exhaust and wheels for it, but obviously I'm waiting on that. Other thing on these engines, so this is, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, there's a little arm right here. It's for the flaps on the intake. It's kind of like TGVs on the Subaru, I would imagine. I don't know what they're called on here, but this arm right here likes to pop off on some revisions of this intake manifold. So I bought the ECS tuning kit to help fix that from popping off. But I'm kind of second guessing myself because I'm not sure. I think this might be the new revised manifold on it already due to this fresh air breather hose. Because I guess the new one has 3 connections down here. And so I don't know. Like I said, not really sure on that one. Some things I want to do in the future. I want to get a catch can. It'll help keep all the oil and stuff out of the crankcase that comes up, keep it all out of the top of the engine and the valves and all that. It's supposed to help with the carbon buildup as well. And some engine cleaner, or like fuel cleaner. You put it in the gas tank and it's supposed to help clean up the fuel lines and help with the carbon buildup a little bit. Things I want to do, the catch can. I need to do a trans service on this because I have no idea if it's been done yet or not. And from what I've read, you're supposed to do it every 40,000 miles. And also with the walnut blasting, I will have a video on that, by the way. The kit is in the mail on its way here. So I'll go step by step how to do that. But that you're supposed to do every like 40 to 50,000 miles once you've done it. So I'll probably obviously keep up on that. It'll probably be like a year or 2 until I get that many more miles put on this thing. But like I said, not really sure. And that's all I can think of that kind of, from what I've been reading anyways. I'm trying to think off the top of my head real quick. I should have made a list, I guess, things to go over, but I didn't. So I do plan on, I kind of want to get an intake to help clean this up a little bit, you know, get rid of all this stuff, and then get like the metal intake pipes, because, you know, this is just plastic, and I don't know, I'm not really a fan of it. But this, like I said, I mean, it's my daily. I'm not really worried about it right now. That's just probably happen whenever I sell this. So then I kind of have something to mess with in the time being. Which I know I said this would probably be posted for sale already, but I'm trying to wait till I get this thing. Like, I know this thing's going to be reliable for me until I post this for sale, because it's nice to have 2 vehicles in case one goes down. But yeah, so I don't know, little things on this. I think I'm going to rip this down because you guys can see it's just hanging. This side's kind of fastened up decent, but I can't get this side to stay. So I'll be ripping that out. I'm going to take this front plate holder off. I don't know, I think it's ugly, you know, and kind of blocks the grill and stuff like that. Yeah, I would like to get wheels because I'm not a fan of these. And there's only 2 center caps. I don't know what happened to the rest of them, but there's only 2. But I mean, the interior is in really good condition. Besides, the driver's seat has that tear in it, and the shifter trim, like all the paint's like chipping off, which kind of bothers me, but still not a very big deal. But I think for what I got the price for, this isn't bad. And I did forget to mention, it is the, well, I don't know if all GTIs are like this, so maybe I'm wrong. It does have heated seats, and it does have the sunroof. One other thing I need to fix is the sagging headliner. That is, like, I don't know, it bothers me. You guys can see how bad that is. I mean, there's just a big hole where the light's supposed to be. But so kind of the things that people are saying from what I've been reading is obviously, okay, well, I don't even know if I should bring this up, but obviously the TDIs are very known to be very reliable. And these newer GTIs, especially starting with the Mark 6, which is kind of unfortunate because that's the one I bought. Actually, I think it's the first year for the Mark 6 in the US anyway. They're known to have a little bit of issues like that carbon buildup, and like I explained to you, it's because it's direct injection, so it doesn't clean off the valves. I only saw that one place where the water pump could possibly crack. They are plastic, so it doesn't surprise me. And I believe, so there's like two different engines. There's the CCTA, which I believe is the one I have. Then there's the CBFA. But I guess you can get a metal water pump, but I can't remember if it only fits one or the other, or if you can get one for both. So that might be if I can get one that fits this car, that'll probably be something I will do in the future. Probably down the road a little bit, not right now. But there's that. The PCV, which I went over, they tend to get clogged up, and the diaphragm, I think you can just replace the diaphragm, but I went ahead and bought the whole new one because I'm pretty sure that was the stock one, and I wanted to replace it and the hoses. And for the PCV, the hoses, or both hoses, the front and the rear hose, the breather hoses, it was only like 130 bucks on ECS Tuning, which I brought them up earlier. I like their website, and I don't know, it's really simple to use, and they kind of have everything you can think of, maintenance, performance wise, I mean looks wise, whatever you want to do. And they're fairly close. Well, they're in Ohio, which is right next to Indiana, so it's kind of shipping is pretty quick, obviously depending on how much you order and what you get and if they have it in stock. But I had something ship within a couple days, and it's free shipping over like $50. I'm not sponsored by them or anything by any means. I just figured I'd tell you guys about their website because I know a lot of people like them as well. So I went over the carbon cleaning, water pump, PCV, the timing chain tensioner, like I mentioned before. They tend to fail on these engines, but like I said, it's been done on this car, so I'm not worried about it. I need to do, so you're supposed to service these DSG automatic transmissions every 40 to 50,000 miles. So I will be servicing mine soon. Obviously I changed the oil. I think I'm going to change the oil around every 4,000 miles on this car. On the Subaru, I change it every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, usually 3,000 miles, especially now that I haven't been driving it that much. It's slower, so I don't have to worry about buying it as often. Whenever it was my daily, it was kind of a hassle changing it every 3,000 miles, so I just went to 4. But I mean, both those, obviously you can change it whenever you want, to an extent, you know, like 5,000, 6,000. I just like to change it a little early. Better safe than sorry, in my opinion. Oil is a big deal with engines, and I'm not trying to have it fail on me due to my lack of maintenance. But yeah, guys, I think that's all I can think of right now. I felt like I had more to say for the video, but apparently not. But I guess that's all right. What's it hurt to make a little video? I figured this video would be informational for you guys, and hopefully kind of reach out to other people on YouTube, so maybe I can get some subscribers that are into Volkswagens, and I can start making more Volkswagen videos, because I do like these cars. Previously I had a Mark IV. It was just a GLS. It had like 240,000 miles on it or something, and I don't know. It ran and drove pretty good. It shifted kind of iffy. I don't know about the older automatic transmissions. I don't think they were very good. But then the water pump went out on me, so I did the timing and water pump, and I sold it to one of my buddies, and he drove it for a while. And then he just wanted something different, so he got rid of it. But like I said, you know, I mean, I don't know. I was just I've had a Volkswagen before. I enjoy them. They are German vehicles, so they're kind of a pain to work on sometimes. I know a lot of people say Subarus are a pain to work on, but I actually enjoy working on a Subaru more than anything that I've worked on so far. But that is probably also because, you know, I know the most about them, and more capable of doing and diagnosing things on those. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys, like I said in the last video, if you guys want to see more Volkswagen content, be sure to leave a like, leave a comment, let me know, because I enjoy making the videos on these. And I hope the videos are getting better for you guys. I know they're probably kind of staying the same, but I'm trying to improve my editing and just talking in general. I'm trying not to stumble over my words as much, and well, I keep saying like that, but I don't know. I hope it's helping. Hope it's going better. But I do enjoy making videos, so I do want to. I mean, I'm gonna keep making videos. I think just keep kind of pushing myself. Eventually, I want to get a camera, so I'm not filming on my iPhone. Because I mean, I don't know. It's good quality. These iPhones do. They have good quality, but I know a camera I could do so much more. But yeah, like I said, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, show it to your mom, show it to your buddy, and you guys have a good day. Peace.